Dear friends, now I am going to dictate elaboration, that is at the rate of 100 words per minute, of Tamil Nadu government technical examinations paper of May 1977. This is 4 minutes dictation. Here, four letters are there, and here the only thing is content important. If there is any omissions, there is no need to bother. And also there is variation from one letter to another in number of words in count, but there is no need to count in one letter many words are there, and in one letter less. You don't think like that, but the content is important here. Please get ready, friends. Number 1, sealed years invited by Inspector General of Police, Tamil Nadu, for supply of water bottles, boots, belts, and caps for police department. Only approved firms registered with Director of Disposals, New Delhi, need tender. Tenders to reach Inspector General of Police before 1st June 1976. Tenders received after due date shall not be considered. Tendering firms to furnish documentary evidence registration and handling contracts with Director of Disposals. Accepted tenderers responsible for delivery of entire stores within 30 days from date of placing orders. Inspector General reserves right to accept or reject any tender. Draft tender notice. Number 2. Leading textile organization in public sector invites applications for the post of labor officer. Specifications to advise management on industrial disputes, labor relations, and labor welfare and represent management in labor courts. Qualifications: degree in law and diploma in industrial relations, knowledge of industrial labor laws essential, experience 5 years as labor officer, pay and allowance plus commensurate with qualifications and experience, age below 40 years, application within 15 days of advertisement to reach box number 10, The Hindu, Madras, draft advertisement. Number 3. A burglary occurred in a residential building in Srirangam. It was dead of night and inmates were fast asleep, having returned home late from a picture house. A trunk containing valuables and important documents was missing. Theft came to notice only next day morning. Valuables include costly jewelry worth rupees 80,000, insurance policy and business papers among missing documents. Draft complaint to Inspector of Police, Srirangam Police Station, as person affected and requesting immediate investigation and detection. Thefts have become common occurrence in locality. Request extra police for keeping vigil round the clock. Mark copy to Superintendent of Police Tiruchi. Number 4. Draft a complaint to Commissioner Corporation of Madras from residents of your locality about bad lighting, damaged roads, lack of water supply. There are 200 houses in locality paying heavy property tax without any appreciable services in return. Bad lighting results in thefts and accidents, roads not repaired for years, resulting in congestion of traffic and damage to vehicle. Water supply position not improved in spite of recent rains. Request immediate relief. Draft reply from Commissioner assuring matter is receiving attention and early steps will be taken to improve the services. It is wrong to say roads have not been repaired for years. Even last year, rupees 2 lakhs spent on the roads.